What you might have missed is actually very important. We just armed ourselves with the knowledge necessary to be able to weaponize this vulnerability. Essentially, with our code review, we established that a period followed by the trun command and the input is actually going to put us into a code path to perform a buffer overflow exploit. So utilizing netcat, which is a tool we learned about in the last video, we can interact with the server a little bit. Essentially, we can type in help to get a list of commands, and look, there's our trun command that I keep talking about. So we see trun value. So that means, we specified trun, we can put some input in, trun complete. And thinking back, if we put a period right after there, we are actually going to begin to see some interesting things. Now, thinking back, remember I said that the buffer size is 2,000 bytes. We can use Python to create a non-cyclic pattern of 2001 A's, print those out. Our trun period input followed by 2001 A's should be enough to crash the server. Let's test this out and we're gonna see if it works. We can see it's hanging. Look at that. Look at that. We actually got it back. So if we go back and we check our Windows server, look at that. The server died. So we have to run the server again. Here, I'll actually show you the verify. So if we use netcat again and attempt to connect, look at that. There's no successful connection. Now we keep that running. We start the server once more. Look at that. We're back online. We just caused a denial of service because of a buffer overflow. All right. Don't get too excited. We identified the vulnerability. We exploited it. However, we have to weaponize it in order to convert it into something actually useful for an attacker. And that's going to be in the next video.